Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is chapter 10, Weather and Climate. Let's see today's topic properly. Our topic is chapter 10. This is weather and climate. We have already discussed some topics from this chapter, and today we will do broad question and answer, and we will do some fill in the blanks also. So let's start today's class. At first, we will read some of the part of this chapter. This is your science book. When you watching this class, you can open your science book also, and you can follow your science book. Today we will read this page. This is 77 page. So dear student, I am going to start today's class. Climate of Bangladesh. Here is the point, the climate of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, there are 6 seasons such as summer, the rainy season, early autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. In Bangladesh, summer consists of Boishakh and Jyeshto and the warmest season of the year. The rainy season consists of Ashar and Shravan and comes with heavy rainfall. Early autumn consists of Bhadra and Ashin. White and fluffy clouds are seen in the sky in this season. Kartik and Agrayan are the late autumn. This is the season of harvest. Posh and Magh are winter, when we can feel cold usually in Bangladesh. Then gradually the cold is relieved and the weather is getting warmer in spring months. The months is Falgun and Chaitra. This is the usual pattern of Bangladesh's climate. Year after year, we are experiencing the same climate. Here is a picture of summer season. This is rainy season. This is early autumn. This is late autumn. This is winter season, and this is also spring season. Seasonal pattern in Bangladesh is different from other countries in the northern hemisphere. In other countries, there is only 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter and spring, mean June to August, September to November, December to February and March to May respectively. So dear student, that's it. Today we have finished this chapter, and now we will do some exercise. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks. Let's do it. Our first fill in the blanks is, here is the blanks, and it says these blanks is the usual weather pattern for a long period of time at a particular area. What will be the answer? The answer will be climate. So we will write here climate. Now the 2 number fill in the blank is the small droplets of cloud aggregated into, what will be the answer? The answer is big drops. So we will write here big drops. Okay, now 3 number. Bangladesh is covered with fog in dash. In which season? Winter. Winter season. So we will write only winter. Okay, now 4 number, filling the blank is, here is a blank, is necessary to grow good crops. What will be the necessary to grow good crops? Rainfall. So we will write here rainfall. Rainfall is the answer. Rainfall is necessary to grow good crops. So let's read this filling the blanks again. 1 number, answer is climate. Climate is the usual weather pattern for a long period of time at a particular area. 2 number, fill in the blanks, the small droplets of cloud aggregated into big drops. And 3 number, Bangladesh is covered with fog in winter. And 4 number is rainfall is necessary to grow good crops. Dear student, now we will discuss about our broad question. Our first broad question is here. Fog is a kind of clouds that you can feel or touch at the ground. Explain how clouds are formed. Answer is here. The answer is the water of sea, river, ponds, canals are being emitted into vaporized due to the heat of the sun, and it becomes water vapor. This vapor float in the sky. When water vapor in the air is cool, water vapor condenses on a tiny dust to form a small water droplets. These tiny droplets of water float in the sky. These are clouds. We can see many kinds of clouds. Clouds are classified by their shape and their height above ground. Here is a figure. This is formation of cloud. You can see this figure and you have to draw this figure, and this you can see here is a evaporation, and here become its condensation and become cloud. So this figure name is formation of cloud. Now we will discuss about our 2 number broad question. 2 number broad question is here. Climate is the usual weather pattern for a long period of time at a particular area. What are the differences between weather and climate? So the answer is the differences between weather and climate are given below. You can make like this table and you can write the differences. This is weather and here is climate, and A number difference is weather is what the sky and air like each day, and the climate is the average weather condition on an area for many years. B number point is weather mainly depends on sky condition and climate mainly depends on areas, latitude, its altitude and distance from the sea. Number C. Now number C point is it changes over a short period of time, and climate it changes over a long period of time. And D number point is it occurs within a small geographical area, and here is the climate. D number point is it occurs within a large geographical area. And E number, here is the weather. E number point is it can be predicted within 24 hours. And here is a climate part. E number point is it can be predicted after 1 year. So dear student, now I will give you some SW. I have finished my today's topic. I will give you some SW. Your SW will be, and this is our 9 number SW. Remember that when you will do your SW, please write the SW number in your copy. This is 9 number SW. Your SW will be broad question. And answer number 2. Here is a 2 broad question. You can see here is a 2 broad question. This is 1 number and this is 2 number, and your SW will be these 2 number. That means the differences between weather and climate. So dear student, I am repeat your SW. This is 9 number SW, and your SW is broad question and answer 2 number. Here is 2 number broad question and answer. This is your SW. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So this is very important, you know. So I hope you will submit your SW properly. So dear student, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.